Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikesh. In today's video, I will show you how we print out English alphabet A. Okay, so let's see how to print. So first I have to run a loop for my row. Okay, with the help of this, I will able to use to manipulate all my row value, and then I have to also have to provide column for range 5. Okay, and with the help of inner loop I will handle my and manipulate all my column based value. So after that I have to provide my condition. If my condition is true, then I have to print a star. With the help of a star, I'm going to print alphabet A and simply end with space. So I'm providing and because I don't want to change the line when I print end. Okay, when you give end value space means this line will not change. Okay, then if my else, then I also have to provide the else condition. Means if my condition is not true, then also I have to print a space. Okay, and this time I give two space, and later I will explain why I gave the two space. Means if my condition not true, then don't print star, simply print two space and don't change the line. And if both condition is true, then I have to come out from my inner loop, means from the column book, and I simply have to print. Okay, with the help of print I will able to change the line. So now I will show you how which logic we use today to print a alphabet A. So if my column is equal to 0 means first column, or if my call is equal to 4 means last column. If both are true and row not equal to 0. Now you can see from this line of code I printed all the column, and means I have printed the first column and the last column, but in first row I skip, means I print a space. Okay, so now I will show you how to print three row on the top of on the first row. Okay, let's see how to do that. Row equal to 0 and call greater than 0 and call less than 4. Okay, now I have to put it in the bracket. So where it's mistake. Okay, now you can see I am able to get the 3 star on the top. And now I will show you how to print a row on this index 4. Okay, means 3. Let's see, row equal to 3. Again I have forget to give the row. Okay, now you can see that I am easily able to print English alphabet A with the help of this logic. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. In next video I will come with how to print English alphabet B.